Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert this video into this one. As we all know that AI is growing insanely. So the people that are using AI can replace you, therefore you have to shake hands with AI to compete with those. Firstly, look at these two videos. This is the power of AI. Firstly, go to runwayml.com and click on Sign Up button. Start signing up by entering your email address and click Next. Once you click Next, you will come to this page. Enter your username without any spaces, create a password, rewrite the password, and click Next. After this, enter your first name, last name, and organization, and click Create Account. Then they will ask for the verification code that they have sent to your email. Copy the verification code from your email and come back to runwayml. Paste the verification code that you have copied from your email and click the Validate button. Congratulations! You have successfully signed up on RunwayML. Once you sign up on RunwayML, you will see this type of dashboard. RunwayML has more than 30 AI tools that you can use absolutely for free. I recommend you to check all these tools. But the one that we will discuss in this video is this one, Video to Video Converter. Select the video that you want to convert. Give some time to upload your selected video. Once your video is uploaded, RunwayML will take some time to load the video. Once RunwayML completely loads your video, then click on the Presets button at the top and select a theme that you want your video to convert it to. Hence, I want my video to be converted in 3D video. I will select Claymation Theme. After selecting a theme, click on Generate button. Wait until AI generates the video. As you can see that our selected video has converted to a 3D video. You can download the video by clicking on Download icon at the video.